Go.
Alright, I'm gonna try to scare the fuck out of Eric right now. He's passed out. Just start screaming too. Go. Not too loud. Don't wake anybody up.
Come on, Eric. Eric, we gotta go.
Shit, Eric, we gotta go.
We gotta go.
Eric,
Eric, come on.
Oh my
Let's
God.
go.
Eric.
Eric. Eric. Is he dead? What is he? Is he dead?
I think he might be dead. Holy shit. Dude, that
Nappy.
didn't wake him up at all.
Nap time.
I didn't face him at all. Holy fuck.
He looks sad. He's gonna have a nightmare.
Hold on, watch this. Oh, almost.
Eric, wake up. Ugh. Wake up. Come on, kid, snap out of it. Eric was
This
a
guy's
little
dead.
too hard tonight.
This guy's dead.
He's gonna have a hangover like shit in the morning.